Hello, and welcome to the first session of our course, Multimedia Applications and Virtual Reality. In this session, we will begin by exploring the fundamental concept of virtual reality.
A computer simulation is the process of transforming an idea, a concept in the physical world, into a digital production within the virtual world. The concept to be digitized may have a tangible physical existence, but it may also be an abstract notion or a logical construction. This transformation follows a pipeline designed to ensure the production of a high-quality digital creation that faithfully reflects the original concept. The first step in this pipeline, following the initial idea itself, is the formal definition of the system to be simulated. Next comes the stage of modeling or the construction of the model. The third step is the implementation or the coding of the digital deliverable. This is followed by the execution phase, which focuses on debugging and correcting implementation errors. After that comes the analysis of results, aimed at validating conformity with the defined system. Finally, the product is refined based on the analysis results in order to enable the practical use of the computer simulator.
Virtual reality is defined by four fundamental concepts: simulation, immersion, interactivity, and multimedia. The first concept, simulation. The virtual world is designed, modeled, and animated through 3D modeling, animations, and real-time graphic engines. The second concept, immersion. Virtual reality transfers the user's perception from the real world into a digital one. Through the use of headsets and sensors, the user is immersed in a synthetic universe where the senses are directly stimulated. The third concept, real-time interaction. Interaction in VR is bidirectional and synchronized. The user acts upon the virtual world, and the virtual world reacts instantly. To define this interaction, we need to specify two scenarios. Communication scenario defines the ways in which the user interacts with the virtual world, and content scenario structures the actions, events, and system responses of the virtual environment. The last concept, multimedia. Virtual reality engages multiple sensory channels to strengthen immersion: vision, hearing, and touch.